The 2025 BMW M5 Touring. This is the first full M station wagon available for the United States. And of course, the sedan version was already unveiled, but I gotta say, the station wagon, I'm really digging the way that it looks. Leave your thoughts in the comment section below, and I'm also liking the kind of matte black paint that they unveiled this vehicle in. The taillights really work with this M5 station wagon, or the Touring, and the grille isn't super ridiculous, so I'm a fan. I think it looks amazing, and it continues to utilize the same plug-in hybrid powertrain system with a combined 717 horsepower. 577 of that horsepower comes from the twin-turbo V8, and then you get the additional 194 horsepower from the electric motor. All-wheel drive comes standard, and everything is mated to the 8-speed automatic transmission. But what's unique about this all-wheel drive system is you can press a button and convert this M5 Touring into a pure rear-wheel drive machine. But BMW claims that the M5 Touring can do 0 to 60 in 3.5 seconds, which is a tenth of a second slower than the M5 sedan. And yes, we all know about the curb weight at this point. The M5 sedan weighs 5,390 pounds. This Touring station wagon model weighs even more at 5,530 pounds. Just to give you some context, the Audi RS6 Avant weighs 4,982 pounds, so almost 600 pounds lighter. And the Porsche Panamera e-hybrid Turbo S, that weighs quite a bit at 5,311 pounds. Now the regular Turbo S wagon version, that weighs 4,729 pounds, so significantly less. But yeah, that's the world we live in. More and more performance vehicles are starting to utilize high horsepower plug-in hybrid powertrains. The new Bentley Continental GT Speed came out with a plug-in hybrid twin-turbo V8. Porsche is going to use that same system, and it's also got over 700 horsepower. The BMW can do about 25 miles of pure EV driving range. So in my opinion, I think that is cool. I do appreciate 25 miles of pure EV driving. You know, you can start up these vehicles quietly. Like, all of that is great. But yeah, these high curb weights, it is a bit unfortunate. Really, the main thing all of these cars have to do is they need to have top tier suspension so it can maintain an excellent ride quality, because that's the one thing that you have to watch out for about these high curb weight vehicles, especially for street driving. If it's not calibrated correctly, it can have like a crashing sensation over the bumps. But anyway, these vehicles, it's going to start at $122,675. That's $2,000 more than the M5 sedan, and it pretty much puts it in line with the Audi RS6 Avant. But the RS6 makes a lot less horsepower. So which one would you choose? Would you take the heavier plug-in hybrid M5, which is the newer car, or would you stick with the Audi RS6, or would you pay more money and buy into the Porsche brand? I mean, a lot of car enthusiasts, they share their love for the station wagon, yet these vehicles, they never sell. The RS6, it literally sells a couple of hundred units per year in the United States. Not per month, annually, per year, a couple hundred RS6 and RS7 vehicles are sold. Porsche Panameras, I mean, a few thousand of those sell. Despite the internet saying that they love these wagons, nobody buys them. But anyway, the M5, it's going to start production later this year, and it should be arriving at the US dealers early in 2025. And these M5s, they do apparently come well equipped. You get pretty much all the features that you would want, like the Bowers & Wilkins audio, pano moonroof, the leather seats, of course, the iDrive 8.5 heads-up display, ambient lighting, etc. Now, of course, there are no physical buttons and switches. That's another problem with pretty much every new modern BMW. And this is what a lot of people don't like, is they're not utilizing physical buttons and switches anymore. You actually have to deal with the touchscreen or utilize the voice commands. Anyway, in the BMW lineup, the vehicle that really intrigues me is the 8 Series. There's a lot of great deals that can be had. In fact, I recently did a video on the BMW 8 Series. I love both the M850 and the M8 models. Pretty good lease deals out there, but I kind of misspoke in that video. There are sometimes a few high-performance Audi vehicles and Mercedes vehicles that can be had. Really just one model in both lineups. It's the Audi S8 and the Mercedes SL. Occasionally, you can get good deals on those vehicles. Not right now on the SL, but on the Audi S8, there are some pretty good deals, discounts, and incentives. So I will leave a link in the description box to my 8 Series video and to my 2025 Audi A8/S8 video. You can check that out. But thank you again for watching this video. Take care and goodbye.